I'm so happy to be back in Karlsruhe, and I'm also so honored to be invited for this Alumni Week.
Every day the things were changing. Every 2 hours we were getting something different through visiting of different labs and meeting people.
This approach with scientists, and also what we heard, for example, in the Science Week, this connection with the city and with the people, for me it's amazing.
I was able to learn a lot in terms of social perspective and also in terms of scientific perspective.
Also, I learned a lot of fun things from Germany. This is a very nice experience.
Germany is a very good country and it's the best place to do a research, even to learn how to do the research in a good, productive way.
I can summarize the Alumni Week in 3 words: very informative, it was excellent, it was exuberant, and I had the opportunity to actually overlap with folks from different parts of the world, professors and students.
How can we take the lessons that we worked on all week long together with you and spin these into actual tangible projects? And I think that has been an unparalleled opportunity. Again, opportunity that I couldn't have had otherwise.
I would be excited to be here again tomorrow if I figure out the mechanism. It's such an exciting place to be.
I even move here for a while again, because my experience here has always been very good, and I'm very thankful also for the opportunity to be here.